So, constant viewer, we find ourselves at Dover, ready to start our Norwegian adventure. So we're just going through, following the signs at the moment, trying to find our way, how you go in the big boat. So we conned get onto the earlier boat. She charged us 20 quid and then told us we couldn't go to duty free because it's boarding just now. So there's the last few wagons are going on once you're over there, and then we're going to be the last ones on, I think. So the duty free is 4 litres for £40. That's a very, very good value. Or you can buy slightly better whiskey for 4 litres for £60. And that's the extent of it, to be honest with you. The perfume's still incredibly highly priced, but there are prices on here of some nice bottles and some rather nice prices to go with it. But the allowances are different which way you're sailing. So if you're sailing to the UK, you're allowed to take 4 litres. But if you're sailing to France, you're only allowed to take 1 litre. So, slightly different setup. We've gone for the 4 litres because we're going to wing it. But that's a nice bottle of Glenlivet for £40.99, saving 8 quid. Johnny Walker, 12-year-old, saving £19. So there's certainly some savings to be had back on the boats, because duty free was a thing of the past. And there's a really nice whiskey, 12-year-old Aberlour for £34. That's a 20% saving, so not bad at all. There is France. We have our first park up for this evening, which is a lovely little area, which is something the UK is sadly missing, and I keep grumbling on about. But we're in Belgium, which is country number 18. It's 23 degrees and it's 8 o'clock at night, so we're very smug at the moment. You know what I mean? So happy chappies. Yeah, fresh water, everything we need here tomorrow morning. Well, so good morning, constant viewers. Today we are going to Bruges. We got a wee 10-minute tour of Bruges. It's a lovely city. I've been before, but Dawn has never been, and we're going to get off just now. So we find ourselves on Magdalenen Straats. It's about a 25-minute walk into town. Beautiful morning. Onwards. So we've been walking about 6 or 7 minutes, and here is the entrance to the town or the city. So let us go.
Fun before it starts to rain. This is your first time, okay, tell me. There will be no test at the end of this tour, okay? It's not a tricky question. Just tell me, I'm curious, what made you...
So, a great way to start any city is by doing the free tour. The clip you've just seen in the lady down there with the yellow folder. This is a free walking tour, and we'll give her €10 at the end of the day. But it's a great way to get your bearings in any city, which is what we're doing just now for the next hour and a half. This is the oldest town hall in Belgium, and it was built in 1346.
This is the only, when you give birth to the baby, yes, it's going up in a hospital here in Bruges.
this is the narrowest street in Bruges.
So follow me. I love this little passage. You know, we have the boutique there and the restaurant.
So there's lots to do in Bruges. Chocolate, beer and boat trips, which is where we're off to next. We're going to go down here and get a boat trip. We'll take you around the town on the canal.
Wir Flandern und Holland, auch in Gent und Amsterdam, so wenn Sie die schöne Haus zurück angebaut von 1600 bis 1800. Strongly built, eh? Very nice house. Das schönes Gebäu, das Ratshaus, gedatiert von 1600 bis 1800. Wir wollen das schönes Gebäu mit das Holz ist, das alte Hotel von Bruges von die 1700 ist. Das are different kinds of Belgian beer, so you'll have to get started.
So this is a mighty beer wall, the only wall that unites people apparently. I think there's 6,500 beers in Bruges. Very easy to miss this little place, but it's lovely.
Hey, you're going to be right here.
So we've got the frites, and we've got the sausages. So the fries that we have are actually done in animal fat, and that's what makes them special. They are double fried, just finished off before you buy them, and that's what makes Belgian fries, which were mistakenly called French fries by the American soldiers coming back from the war. And that's where the term came from. So we are in the world famous House of Waffles. Waffles are a must do in Belgium when you're here. Decisions.
Just leave it. Laat het gewoon op een keertje staan.
Wow. So we went for the banana bonanza at €10, but it's awesome. Here it goes. Well, we're back at the gatehouse. I hope you've enjoyed our 10-minute tour of Bruges. We'll see you in the next one. We had a wonderful day. Found our way back to the truck. Remember, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Hello, constant viewer. We are on day 2 of our Norway expedition. We have left Bruges, and we've decided to head all the way up to Germany today. Finding prices very, very cheap in Belgium and the Netherlands so far. Just stopped off at a Lidl. Everything's a little bit cheaper. Fuel is $1.40 a litre in this area, so that's quite a result. And yeah, so it's just raining all day today, so we're just going to drive for the next 4 or 5 hours and get as far north as we can, and it looks like we're going to sail from Hirtshals in Denmark to Kristiansand in Norway, and that will be a 4.5 hour crossing at €200, so it's going to save us a lot of driving, about 1,000 kilometres. We've been driving a couple of hours through Belgium, and we are just entering Netherlands. Here we go, one more country to stick on the list.